Imagine a lawyer who has fought the biggest legal battles in India, saved a man from death sentence in an international court, and also won a 22,100 crore case against the Indian government. This is the story of Harish Salve, the super lawyer and the man behind the most iconic legal victories. What will you learn today? First, how he went from failing his CA exams to becoming a top lawyer. Second, his biggest landmark cases and global impact. Third, his mindset and success secret. So, let's dive in. Harish Salve was born on June 22, 1955 in Varud, Maharashtra. He came from a highly intellectual family. His father, N.K.P. Salve, was a politician and a chartered accountant, while his grandfather, P.K. Salve, was a well-known criminal lawyer. Interestingly, Salve initially wanted to become an engineer. Later, he pursued chartered accountancy, but fate had other plans. He failed his CA exams twice, which turned out to be the biggest turning point in his life. One day, his taxation research note reached Nani Palkhiwala, one of India's greatest legal minds. Palkhiwala read it and simply asked, "So, when are you going to join the bar?" This one sentence changed his life forever. Salve started his career in 1980 at J.B. Dada Chandji and Corporation. Later, he trained under Soli Sorabji, who later on became India's Attorney General. Harish Salve's first legal case wasn't for a corporate giant, but for a Bollywood legend Dilip Kumar in an income tax appeal case. This case got him recognition, and soon he was handling major taxation, corporate and constitutional law cases. Case 1. Vodafone Dispute. In 2007, the Indian government demanded Rs 22,100 crores from Vodafone for acquiring Hutch. The government claimed Vodafone owed taxes, but Harish Salve fought the case in Supreme Court and won. Case 2. Kulbhushan Jadhav's case. Harish Salve represented India in the International Court of Justice when Kulbhushan Jadhav was sentenced to death in Pakistan. He argued that Jadhav was denied a fair trial and won a favorable ruling for India. Case 3. Bilkis Banu's case. After the 2002 Gujarat riots, Bilkis Banu's family was murdered. Salve took up the case, demanded CBI inquiry, and ensured justice was served. Case 4. Bhopal gas tragedy. Harish Salve also defended Keshav Mahindra in the Bhopal gas tragedy, arguing against reopening charges decades later. His expertise in corporate law made him the go-to lawyer for big businesses. Now, we'll discuss his success mantra and work ethics. Harish Salve isn't just a lawyer, he is a legal strategist. He once spent 8 hours inside a refinery to understand the technical aspects before arguing a corporate law case. He believes in continuous learning and says failure teaches you more than a success. That's the mindset of a winner. Harish Salve's journey proved that with hard work, the right mentor, and unstoppable mindset, you can achieve anything in your life. If you found this video interesting and inspiring, like, share and subscribe, and also tell us in the comment section which of his cases inspired you the most.